Role of the youth generation in creating a smart India. The youth generation, constituting a significant portion of India's population, holds the key to transforming the nation into a smart India. This transformation encompasses various dimensions, including technological advancement, sustainable development, education, governance, and social reforms. The energy, creativity, and innovative spirit of young people are essential for driving the country toward a future characterized by intelligence, connectivity, and inclusivity. Technological advancement and innovation. The cornerstone of a smart India is technological innovation. The youth, with their inherent affinity for technology, play a crucial role in this aspect. They are the early adopters of new technologies and are often at the forefront of technological trends. By engaging in fields such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, data analytics, and blockchain, young people can develop solutions that address complex problems, improve efficiency, and create new opportunities. Startups and tech incubators, predominantly driven by young entrepreneurs, are already making significant contributions to India's digital landscape. Education and skill development. Education is a vital component of creating a smart India, and the youth are both the beneficiaries and the champions of educational reform. By advocating for and participating in modernized education systems that emphasize critical thinking, problem solving, and digital literacy, young people can ensure that the next generation is well equipped to thrive in a knowledge-based economy. Additionally, continuous skill development through vocational training and online courses enables the youth to stay relevant in a rapidly changing job market. Sustainable development. The youth generation is increasingly aware of the environmental challenges facing the world. Their commitment to sustainability is essential for creating a smart India that is not only technologically advanced but also environmentally responsible. Young people can drive initiatives that promote renewable energy, waste management, and sustainable agricultural practices. By adopting and advocating for green technologies and sustainable lifestyles, the youth can help mitigate the impact of climate change and ensure a healthier planet for future generations. Governance and civic engagement. Active participation in governance and civic life is crucial for the development of a smart India. The youth, with their fresh perspectives and innovative ideas, can contribute to more transparent, accountable, and efficient governance. Through social media and digital platforms, young people can engage in policy discussions, raise awareness about critical issues, and hold authorities accountable. Their involvement in grassroots movements and non-governmental organizations can drive social change and improve community welfare. Social reforms and inclusion. A smart India is one that is inclusive and equitable. The youth generation can play a pivotal role in advocating for social reforms that promote equality, justice, and inclusion. By challenging traditional norms and prejudices, young people can work towards eradicating discrimination based on caste, gender, religion, and other social divisions. Their efforts in promoting gender equality, supporting LGBTQ+ rights, and ensuring access to education and healthcare for marginalized communities are integral to building a fair and just society. Entrepreneurship and economic growth. Youth entrepreneurship is a powerful engine for economic growth and job creation. By starting new ventures, young entrepreneurs not only contribute to the economy but also inspire others to pursue their entrepreneurial dreams. The startup culture in India, driven by young minds, has led to the development of innovative products and services that address various market needs. Government initiatives like Startup India and Atal Innovation Mission provide the necessary support and infrastructure for young entrepreneurs to succeed. Conclusion. The role of the youth generation in creating a smart India is multifaceted and indispensable. Their involvement in technological innovation, education, sustainable development, governance, social reforms, and entrepreneurship is critical for the nation's progress. By harnessing their potential, energy, and vision, India can move towards a future that is intelligent, connected, and inclusive. The youth are not just the leaders of tomorrow, they are the change makers of today, capable of shaping a smart India that benefits all its citizens. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.